encouraged me and made sacrifices so that I could reach and pursue this path of knowledge. May Allah reward them with the best of rewards and make me a source of sadaqatul jariyah for them. And I wish to honor my grandmother, Nur Hatima Rohamsar, who supported me throughout my Arabic studies with her encouragement and prayers, and the mother of Abi. Though they are no longer with us today and has returned to Allah, their belief in me continues to give me strength. And to everyone around me, my ustad, teachers, family, Hanin, Fariza, Farina, and my circle of friends who believed in me and supported me throughout my journey, I am deeply grateful. This achievement is not mine alone, but a reflection of the people that Allah has placed around me. Wakhiran, I want to take this opportunity to ask everyone to make du'as for our oppressed brothers and sisters in Palestine, Sudan, and in every place where injustice prevails. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. May the ilm we learn help us survive في الدنيا والآخرة inshallah. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in Surah Al-Dhariyat, ayah 55, وَذَكِّرْ فَإِنَّ الذِّكْرَى تَنْفَعُ الْمُؤْمِنِينَ, and remind, for indeed the reminder benefits the believers. جزاكم الله خيرا والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. Takbir! Allahu Akbar. Okay. Natuba diyan mo kapag English, Ustads. Tigil mo sa English pa.